Welcome viewers. Today we will learn how to remove video background for free. So let's go to our computer screen and see for ourselves how we can do it. So we will go to a website which is called unscreen.com. We will open this website and what it does is it's remove video background for you for totally free and totally automatically. So you have two choices here. You can upload your video clip for you which you want to remove the video background. In our example, we will search a GIF to show you how to remove or change the video background. So we are looking for a GIF here, and I think we can select this random GIF like this fish. So what it does is it has removed its background, okay, and you can simply now change the background as desired, and you can see that there are two tabs. One is original, one is removed background. So you simply click on removed background and then you click on change background. So here you have three options: video, color and image. In the video section there are many options, and like you can upload your own background or you can search, and then there are different colors, right? And then there are different images out there. So while the video is uploading, you can scroll through different images or different choices as to which background you would like to choose. So we will click on certain images to show you that how the background is changing, and certain images will be applied. Then we can move to the color tab and we can choose the color of our choice for the video, or we can choose a video background for our desired clip. You will simply share or download the clip. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel.